Okay, I wanted to give you a tour of a room, a deluxe balcony oceanfront room at the Hong Kong Disneyland Hotel. So, upon entering the room, to the right we have a toilet, single vanity, and showers and bathtub combination with curtain. Nice branded amenities, although those have been limited due to Hong Kong plastics laws. Reasonably sized closet and shelves that store extra towels, bathrobes, and slippers. Coffee maker, hot water maker, fresh bottled water, safe, mini fridge, as well as some cups and ice. Moving into the main room itself, it's a two double bed room, so quite small, I would say, to try and fit four people into this room. It's my understanding that the Explorers Lodge next door has upgraded the beds to queen size, so hopefully that's a better option in that regard, but they were very comfortable beds. There is a distinct lack of power outlets near the bed. Thankfully, they have provided a USB-C and USB-A charger next to the bed. The beds themselves have either Tinkerbell and as well as the Cinderella fairies. And the artwork on the wall is of the gang outside the hotel. Nice sized Samsung television and vanity, two chairs, and a desk, as well as a provided power adapter, which is appreciated. But of course, the jewel of the room would be the view and the balcony. Before we go there, we can take a look at the decals that they have put on the door here. Very cute. Let's celebrate. And then as we head outside onto the balcony, we have wonderful views of the South China Sea. And to our left, we can see downtown Hong Kong. So this really does feel resort-like, in that you are away from the hustle and bustle of Hong Kong and have an oceanfront balcony view. It's very nice, very classic, very Grand Floridian in style. This was the deluxe oceanfront balcony room at the Hong Kong Disneyland Hotel.